Time for us to finish off the brake system on the car, but let's get you up to speed a little bit on our setup here.
Yeah, man. Now, our brakes and our suspension components we got from Centric. Now, there's quality control and then there's Centric, right? Now, take a look. We got ball joints, tie rod ends, and brake components. And let me kind of show you what's going on with the ball joint, and you'll see what I mean. So, right out of the gate, typically this is covered with metal. You see this polymer sort of covering on here. Now, unlike a lot of ball joints that aren't micro finished like this guy is, and you see this in their tie rod ends and their ball joints, super smooth. Typically you see a lot of porosity, some burrs and whatnot in there, but you'll also see how these things ride inside this little polymer cup, right? And then this one sits on top of it, and that reduces friction, reduces wear, and really for the guys that are, out there on the track racing a lot, you'll feel that in every dive in and every turn, man.
Because everything is nice and super smooth, unlike the competitors that use metal on metal.
Yeah.
Shove a bunch of grease in there, you get a little more notchy feel. This is OE design right here, real high quality stuff. Now, Centric Parts, they're one of the leading manufacturers of OE and aftermarket brakes and suspension.
Yeah.
And when you look over at their performance division, StopTech, and we all know those guys, man. They make some seriously cool stuff for brakes.
Now, these are the StopTech STR racing calipers. Typically, the word gorgeous and calipers don't go in the same sentence together, but look at these things. They're all machined. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're lighter. Take a look at that finish. Really, that's just an unbelievable caliper, and the weight of it.
Yeah, I mean, look at this guy. Now, it starts out as a high-quality forging, and then you can see they whittle away everything that's not necessary to make a brake system work, so you get a light and a stiff setup. Now, this removable center bridge here, as these pads are trying to push apart and this caliper's flexing, right, this keeps it super stiff, one of the stiffest in the market. And by removing that, you can pop the pads out real easy for quick pad changes.
Yeah.
I mean,
everything,
super attention to detail.
Yeah, everything, attention to detail, super convenient yet performance-based. The R&D they do at StopTech is incredible.
Yeah, now because we're going with classic, smaller 15-inch, we had to go with a one-piece rotor and hub assembly. But they have everything from two-piece, all sizes, shapes, for whatever you need. And what's really great about StopTech is they go after a balanced system. You can stick a big caliper on something and you can lock up some front tires, but you need all four tires on the ground gripping for maximum stopping performance. So it's really about the complete system. Everything down to stainless braided lines, so you have stiffness everywhere. You've got good pedal feel. We've got new brackets that are going in this thing. So we're going to start bolting all this together so we have that awesome pedal feel.